Welcome back to my mixology channel, guys. And as you can see, I'm at my tiki bar and my patio. Okay, let's start make some shaking pina colada on the rocks. Let's get right into it. Okay, so as you can see right here, I got some fresh pineapple right here. Okay, right here. Fresh pineapple right there. And then I got some pina colada puree right here. And then I'm going to put it just like this in the glass. So guys, normally you can muddle the pina colada. The pineapple. You can muddle it. But you can just shake it. When you shake it up, it breaks up in pieces. So because I'm going to shake it with all this vigorous strength. So, you know, get it break up in pieces. So right here you have that. Now I'm going to put some pineapple juice inside just like this. 3 ounces of pineapple juice is perfect for it right there. Okay, I'm going to go right ahead. I'm going to make 2 cocktails, guys. As you can see the glass right here. Okay, so I'm going to put 3 ounces of coconut rum inside. Alrighty, just like this. Alrighty. Okay, here we go. That's it. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go and grab some ice right here. Okay. I'm going to put some ice in the glass just like this. Okay. Put some ice in my glass over here. Also. Just like that. Okay. Go right ahead. Let's take it. You know what? I'm going to put some more ice inside because I want it to be nice and cold. Alright, guys? Alright. Right ahead. Here we go. My strainer right here. Strain it up right like this. Glass. You can see right here, guys. This is my pina colada. Shaking on the rocks. It's 90 degrees outside. Just like this. I'm gonna go right ahead right here. And then I'm going to garnish it, alright? This is some spur from the pineapple right here. And here you have shaken pina colada. I'm not done yet. I'm not done. I'm going to go right ahead. I'm going to float it with a ½ ounce of dark rum, just like this on the top of it. Alright, guys? Look. Okay, and this is the finishing product we have right here, and thank you for visiting my channel, and see you next time.